Upon popular request, today we're at LC's BBQ, a legendary barbecue joint in Kansas City with a rich history. Founded in 1986 by LC Richardson, LC's is known for their slow smoked meats, sweet tangy sauce, and classic sides. Let's go inside and check it out. Tasha, tell us a little bit more about LC. So you guys are obviously famous and known for your slow smoked meats. What else? What kind of makes LC's what it is?
I think my grandfather's palate is what makes us LC's. He made the sauce and the seasoning with his own hands, and I think our pit, the flavor that pit holds, with being there over 40 years, it's the moneymaker. I actually had this pit redone after my grandfather did. I redid all the fire brick on the inside. I redid the sheet metal. I think my grandpa had it for about 38 years. So all the upgrades that I did, it'll last us another 40 years. It stays fired up quite a bit of the day, and when people come in, that aroma, that they don't come in here for the fancy atmosphere, they come in here for the smoke and the food.
What is your favorite dish?
You know, I've eaten so much, I don't know that I had a favorite, but if I would have to choose, I'm gonna go with our burn-ins.
Burn-ins?
They're flavorful, they're tasty, they're seasoned to perfection, they're tender, and you top it with our sauce, you can't go wrong.
So you started working here at 12.
I did.
No chance you saw over the counter at that time.
That's right.
Tell us some memorable stories with your grandpa up here. What are some of your favorite memories at LC's as a kid?
Well, I'll start with one when I was 12. My grandfather was actually not on this side. He was only on that side. We had 3-bar stools and we had the smoker outside.
Oh, wow.
So my memories was no matter the temperature, my grandfather coming in with stacks of meat every single time. Back there, I didn't have the counter to look over. We had 3-bar stools and it was perfect. But you know, starting early, it taught me life lessons. It taught me, you know, hard work pays off. It taught me dedication, and it taught me business ethics.
That's awesome.
So I learned a lot as I was 12. You know, I used to get yelled at by my grandfather a lot because I wanted to go to my middle school games. I wanted to go parties, and he's like, listen, you need to make money. You know, money's important. It'll set you up for success. And so I was mad then, but I look now and I just laugh because, man, he taught me at a very young age how to be successful.
Ingrained that work ethic in you.
Absolutely.
That's awesome. You can't teach that really. And when people do have it, I mean, you've got to have it or you don't, in my opinion.
Exactly.
And you clearly have it because you work your butt off up here every day and have been for a long time.
Yeah.
And you still enjoy it today, every day when you wake up and come to work.
Absolutely. The customers, everybody that comes in here has a story about my grandfather. He sat in this table every day, 6 days a week.
The chair's got a little bit of wear on it.
Oh yeah, I'm keeping it. You know, my grandpa was a big guy, so
that is
you know,
awesome.
I fit comfortably. But you know, just the stories, the fishing stories, the hunting stories. He had a lot of hobbies that I'm glad this restaurant allowed him to be able to do. So I sit here and I listen to his stories from his customers, and it warms my heart.
Oh, I bet. Nothing better than that, hearing good things about your family.
Absolutely.
So you guys have been here in business for almost 40 years. What's one or two pieces of advice for somebody that wanted to get in the restaurant or even the barbecue business that you would offer up?
I'd first say location. Location is important. Make sure that you're very strategic when you choose your location. We're right next to the Chiefs in the Royal Stadium. We're close to downtown, so we get all the people that come to visit. And then I'd say customer service. Make sure it is on point. It's very important to provide good customer service so your customers want to return. We have people that have been coming here the whole time it's been open, and I'm proud of that. We are excited to be here and be a Kansas City staple. Please come and get some of our barbecue. It's LC's BBQ, and we're located at 5800 Dr. Martin Luther King Jr. Boulevard, Kansas City, Missouri, 64129.
Tasha, thank you so much for having us. We look forward to keeping in touch.
Thank you so much for coming.